Hi kiddos, here we are with 6.6 lesson. We're going to be doing problem solving with 3-digit subtraction. So we got to be careful with these word problems, and we got to pay attention to what they're asking us and really kind of think about them in real life and how they would apply, and then decide what we're going to do with the problem. So this first one, there were 6 people at the art show. 219 people went home. So if they went home, are they coming to the art show or are they leaving? They're leaving. How many people stayed at the art show? That's the question. So what do I need to find? How many people stayed at the art show? What information do I need to use? Blank people were at the art show. Well, there were 436 people at the art show. Then blank people went home, 219. That's the info that they gave us. So make a model, then draw a quick picture of your model. So basically, we just need to solve these, guys. So we have bar models that we can use, but I'm okay with you doing it however you want. If you want to draw a picture of 436 and then a quick picture, you can do that. Okay, so if I do 400s, 3 10s, 6 1s, okay, I need to subtract 219. So if I subtract 9, do I have 9 ones to subtract? I don't, so I need to cross out this 10 and make it 10 ones. Do you remember this from last chapter when we regroup? Okay, now I have 9 I can cross out, so go ahead and do that. If you need to pause at any time, if I'm going too fast to get your picture caught up, you can do that. Okay, so now how many ones do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 ones. Okay, but then in 219 there's a 110, so I need to still, this 10 right here doesn't count as subtracted. It was regrouped. It's not been subtracted. So I still need to subtract a 10, and I'm going to cross out that one. So now how many 10s do I have left? 1. And then there are 2 hundreds that I need to cross out. 1, 2. How many hundreds are left? 2. So the answer would be there are 217 people who stayed at the art show. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing today, guys, subtracting. If you don't need the picture and are able to subtract, do you think you can regroup? Because we know how to regroup with 2 digits. It's not that much different for 3 digits, okay? So let's jump right in to these first ones. I'm going to be using pictures today to get my brain wrapped around it, okay? But I will also show you how to write it up and down, okay? So there are 532 pieces of art at the show. 319 pieces of art are paintings. How many pieces of art are not paintings? So we know how many are paintings. We want to know how many are not paintings. Maybe they are sculptures or another piece of art or drawings. So we have the total, and we know how many are paintings. We need to know how many are not. So that tells us, since we're comparing, we want to subtract. So to write this, I would write 532 minus 319. Okay? So I need to draw a quick picture of my bigger number because I'm subtracting from that. So 500, 3 10s, and 2 1s, 532. Make sure your picture matches that. Okay. And now I'm ready to subtract. So I start in the ones. Do I have 9 ones to subtract? I don't, right? So I have to regroup. Take that 110 and make it 10 ones. Okay, so now I have 12 ones. That's what I did here, right? Cross out the 3. The 3 became a 2. The 2 became a 12. Okay, because now there's 12 ones, so now I'm doing 12 minus the 9. Okay, so cross out 9. How many ones do you have left after 12 minus 9? 1, 2, 3. Good. You can write 3 right here, too. Okay, so I have 2 10s now, but I still need to subtract 1. So I'm going to cross this one out. How many 10s do I have now? 2 minus 1? 1. Good. And then I have 5. Oops, I only drew 4. Did you guys see that? Whoopsies, you're probably yelling at me through the video. I need 5 tens, I only drew 4. Or 5 hundreds, and I only drew 4. Okay, I need to cross out 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. The answer should be 213 pieces of art. I'm going to give you just a second. I'm going to grab another color because it's all kind of blending together. Finish that up. Let me grab another color. All right, I'm back. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, in number 2, 245 children go to the face painting event. 114 of the children are boys. Well, if we know the boys, who are we missing? The girls. How many of the children are girls? So, would we add more boys to the group to figure out how many girls are left, or would you take away the boys? You'd take away those smelly boys. Just kidding. Sorry, boys, you don't stink. Okay? And then we'd be left with the girls. All right? So, 245 minus 114 is what we're going to be doing. Because we have the total amount of children, we need to know the boys. Okay? All right, so if a picture helps you, great. Here's how you would do it. 200, 4 10s, 5 1s. Okay? 245. If you feel like you can do it without the picture and can just subtract 5 minus 4, 4 minus 1, 2 minus 1, I'm fine with that too. I just need you to get the correct answer. Okay? So 5 minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 5 minus 4? 1. Good. I'm going to write it both places. Then 4 minus 1 in the tens place. I just need to subtract 1. I didn't have to regroup on this one, so it's super simple. 4 minus 1 is 3. And then 2 minus 1 for the hundreds, I have 1, right? So there are 131 girls. So if you would add 131 girls plus 114 boys, it would equal 245 kids because it's a related fact. Okay? All right, guys, you've got 2 word problems you need to try here on your own. Then you're going to pause the video, try these 2. You're going to need to read them. If a grown-up's with you and you're having trouble reading them, they can read it to you. But I want you to try to figure out what you're doing on your own here. Don't just take out the numbers and start subtracting. That's a no-no. You have to read the problem. Okay? So do 3 and 4 right now. Okay, go. All right, guys, in this first one, I just wrote it up and down. There was no regrouping, so I didn't feel like I needed a picture. But if you wanted to draw your quick picture, you could still. So 237 minus 126. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 111 is the answer. Huh, that was interesting and easy. All right, number 4. There were 232 postcards on the table. The children used 118 postcards. How many postcards were not used? So on this one, I could tell here that I was going to need to regroup, right? Because I can't do 2 to take away 8. So since I'm still kind of learning how to regroup with the 3 digits, I went ahead and drew my picture. So if I want to do 2 minus 8, but I can't, I need to regroup one of these 10s as 10 ones. Okay? So what I did there was cross out the 3, cross out the 2. The 2 became 12, the 3 became 2. Got it? And then, but I needed to get rid of 8 of them, right? So 12 minus 8 was 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. And 2 minus 1 is 1. The answer was 114. Okay? However it helps you to do it, you can draw pictures, you can subtract. If you think you're good at regrouping here and you're ready to do that, you can do that. Math on the spot, make sure you watch the video to go over that. If the numbers are different, it still will teach you how to do the problem. You need to get your own answer. Okay? So on your worksheet that you have to submit, it's going to ask you, it's going to give you these word problems. It gives you space right here if you want to draw a picture, if you just want to rewrite it and solve it. But please do it on here before you go do it on Schoology. Okay, guys? All right. If you have trouble reading the word problems, have a grown-up help you read them. If you have any questions, ask your grown-up first, and if they still can't figure it out, let us know. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.